up, babies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm Kenitra, but I go by Dimples, obviously, by the name of my YouTube channel. But here I do makeup, but I am going to be expanding and doing like more behind the scenes of the photo shoots that I do. And also, if I ever get any modeling gigs anytime soon, I'll do behind the scenes of that too. I'm also do vlogs, and yeah, so that's what's going on this channel. But for today's video, oh wow. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine that I just decided that I wanted to have. But anyway, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Matte Face Primer Photo Focus. I need to get more of this. I keep products for like a year because I don't wear makeup like that. So yeah, that's what goes on, you know. And I have like 2 mirrors on, and I'm like, which one do I want to look at today? But both are really good for either angles that I want. So, and I got my vanity from Walmart, I believe. And I don't know exactly like the name of it, but if I find it out by the time I upload this video, I will go ahead and put it in the description box. So the foundation I'm going to go in with today is actually one of my favorites. It's my NYX Elixir one, and I'm in the shade Mocha. So this foundation actually isn't too bad. Kimba, please stop scratching the wall for the love of the Lord. I had to kick my son out of the freaking room because he's doing too much. I'm like, stop scratching the wall, bro. Please stop for the love of the Lord. Stop messing with that. He is something else. Like, he'll do it just because. And then like whenever I tell him to stop, he'll like look at me like a bad kid. I guess to see if I was talking to him. I'm like, who else am I going to talk to? I almost got him a sibling while he wants to keep playing with my images today. Good. I was just like, he's enough. Like, he literally does the most. So I think I'm okay with just having one, you know, fur baby. Because I had 2 fur babies at once. I had a cat and a dog at the same time. I probably won't ever do that again. Like, ever do that again. I'm not really a big concealer person, but if I was to conceal, this is a concealer I do use if you haven't watched any of my past videos, but it's a Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX concealer, and I use the shade Mahogany for mine, but I'm not going to use that. This is also my favorite for if I'm just going to, if I really just have blemishes going on, which I have a couple on this side going on, I'll just put this, dab it on there and dab it a little bit on the like little dark spots and call it a day. But I'm going to get my skin back together because it's doing the most right now and I don't feel pretty. But I'm going to be going ahead and setting my face already. Like, literally my makeup routine is probably making a lot of makeup artists mad right now, but I don't care. But I use the Maybelline Lasting Fix. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, but my camera's not gonna focus in on it. It's a good camera until we get to the focusing part, but whatever. I don't like setting spray at all. As somebody asked me, what is the purpose of like setting spray once, and I was just like, it's to like lock in your makeup. I think that's the correct answer. I'm going to go with that answer because, you know, I'm pretty sure that that's the right answer to go with. At least I hope. Okay, for my brows, lately I've just been going in with the Wet n Wild black eyeliner pencil and doing it that way. I was mixing it up with the brown one, but I stopped doing that. But yeah, I usually just do my eyebrows that way with the black one or the brown one as well. I was using Wet n Wild, like obviously right now if you haven't been able to tell, I love Wet n Wild. I use Wet n Wild's espresso eyebrow pot thing, eyebrow pomade, whatever you want to call it. But it's kind of dry and I just haven't used it in a while. It's really actually really good. I smell everything. But anyway, yeah, that's what I do. I'm pretty simple with my eyebrows. I'm not really a big eyebrow fanatic like some women are. Well, it's not even just some people in general, because everybody wears makeup nowadays, so. But yeah, I'm not really a big fanatic. Like, I'll trim like this side, like right here, or both of the sides if I see a little hair there. I've lined up people's eyebrows before for free because I'm not a professional, but like I know how to do it. Don't tell me in the comments that I should be charging people because I'm not doing that. Like, I don't get people that want me to do it all the time. It's mainly my sister, so. She's always like, can you like trim this right here? I'm like, you need to learn how to do it yourself so we don't have this problem. Yeah. And there goes my eyebrow already without me concealing it. I guess I will conceal it, but usually I just use my finger is my concealer. Like, I just do this a little bit and get it to how I want it. I take off a lot of excess and then there goes my eyebrow already. Also, with my slit, it depends. I use concealer on that part just because I want it to be like a clean cut, because my eyebrows do they grow back kind of fast. So like, it already grew back. I literally just did this I think like a week ago and it's already like doing the most. So yeah, now we have to use concealer because yeah, I don't really. It's crazy because everything else grows back fast, but like my natural hair on the top of my head, and it's really annoying. Like, very annoying. Can't stand it. So now we got the left eyebrow going on. And like I said, I use my finger as a concealer. Oh, no, I'm not big on like concealing eyebrows. Like, I know how. I've done it before. I think I've done it in a couple videos, like old videos from a couple years ago. But yeah, so like right now, it's not like a clean cut for me anyway. Maybe because I'm looking at myself closer up than you guys on camera. But literally, I just do that, and you see how it's already like a clean cut. That's how everybody does their eyebrows that have, you know, spots in their eyebrows. I'm just gonna go ahead and use like a little tiny brush to go ahead and pat it in, because I was gonna use a small like little beauty blender, but it would have kind of smeared and I don't have time for that right now. So this is what we're doing. And it usually takes me maybe like, I want to say like 5 minutes to do my eyebrows, I think. Maybe if I really care, like doing this right now. I went out with half doing my eyebrows before, so, but bam, there goes my eyebrows with no concealer. Besides, I'm a slick, god dang it. The thing about using my finger, it kind of smears the liner. I use a liner for my eyebrows, yes I do. But yeah, there goes my eyebrows, guys. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my wing, and I'm going to be using, you guessed it, Wet n Wild. Again, a breakup proof, waterproof liquid liner. So I had to cut the little tip because I was drawing with it in a couple videos ago. So yeah, that's the thing, that's what's happening. But another type, I have to like not breathe. But let me bring y'all in so you can see like the process of this. I hate how I have to manually do this every single time. I'm like, why can't you be like other cameras and do it correctly? There we go. My niece wants to learn how to do this, but it's really simple. You just go and do it to the length that you want, or through the thickness that you want on your eye. And then you just bring it out. Like But that's just how I want it. And then you bring it and connect it in. And then you got a wing. Voila. I can't raise my right hand, bro. So this is what's gonna happen. Dang. My dad only gave me this. We both do this a lot. I think he could do his right eyebrow though. Whatever, dad. Nobody cares. I wish I knew the name of these lashes, but these were given to me. But I do use Rimmel London's mascara in order to prep my lashes. Sometimes I don't even do that because sometimes they're just not needed, and plus I don't really have, and this tweezers pisses me off. I don't know where my other ones are, like the good ones. But like whenever they're not giving me a hard time, it's pretty easy to put on eyelashes. You just kind of whoop, 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 and then you got an eyelash on your eye. I always stick it on at a certain spot, and then I go from the right and then go left, and then there you go, you got an eyelash. And I don't know what happened like right there, but whatever, we're gonna fix that in this regard. But yeah, there you go, you got an eyelash on your eye. Bam! With the wing. And you don't want your eyelash to be kind of like weird. You see how it's kind of like flat and going with it instead of being bendy and weird and stuff. So yeah, there we go. There we go. Bam, time to put on another eyelash. Okay, usually for a highlighter, I do go on with Wet n Wild. Again, not sponsored by the way. And I use their highlighter, which I like the golden hour one a lot. That's what it looks like. Obviously it's gold. I don't know if you can see it. Whatever. I might have to take a picture and show you. But right now I'm gonna go into Wet n Wild's bronzer because I just want to be softer today. And I'm using BH Cosmetics brush. I don't know the name of the brush because it came in like a package together. So I'm just going to do something lighter today and bronzy, and that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put this on today. And I'm not even going to do anything with the bridge of my nose. Usually I put highlighter on my nose, but my dad hates that. He'd be like, why y'all do that to your nose? Mind your business, bro. I really like this. It's like a softer glow, and I don't mind it. I don't want something too like big today. Not today. Usually I put like the highlighter on, but this actually is a lot better. It's like a lighter bronze. And so for my lip gloss, my niece got this from Ulta, I think, or for my birthday. But it's just Sweet and Shimmer lip gloss. That's all I can really tell you about it. But I really do like this lip gloss though. It's like looks like the bronzer, but like on the lips as well. And I like, obviously, I'm a brown girl. So a lot of stuff that's, you know, brown or like bronzy, it goes with my skin. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And also for my bottom lashes, I don't know if you can really tell that I did that, but I like using the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Volume on Demand. It's waterproof as well, which it really is waterproof. It tries its best not to come off whenever I am trying to take off makeup. It's kind of hard to get off sometimes. But it's really good for long lasting wear. It lasts all day, for me anyway. I don't know how some of y'all are, what you guys do throughout your daily activities, but if you always have watery eyes or something, that's a good mascara to use. But actually, I'm actually done. It's a pretty easy look today. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.